Hello, what is up everyone, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have my most anticipated car from Majorette 2022. It is the Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport from the deluxe cars, and let's go ahead and open this up. Before I show you the car, I'm gonna show you the box here. So as you can see, Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport, pretty simple box. You know, Majorette, when it comes to the deluxe cars, they like to do the boxes simple. I just don't know why. I mean, like, I have no idea. Let's move on to the car itself. So yeah, I'm mostly excited about the car because, well, I have been waiting for this casting for quite some time to reach Majorette, and they did. It is the Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport in this beautiful looking dark maroon. So obviously, you know the Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport. It has been released in Tomica as well as Mini GT, if you might have known already. And now it is already in Majorette. So yeah, it's such a nice car that I don't know why I like it so much. Actually, it's a very interesting Bugatti Chiron, because yeah, it has some hidden details. Like, for example, it represents the X-Wing, if you might not know already by now. It represents the Star Wars X-Wing from the rear. So let's take a look at the car here. Majorette Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport, and as you can see, yeah, it looks very awesome. As you can see, it has these more of like 10-spoke wheels. It actually has rubber tires, which makes it quite expensive. You have the suspension. You can see the movement by its wheels. Okay, let's put it on here. You can kind of see it right there. Yeah, it does move up and down. Yes, and yeah, basically it's half maroon, half black. As you can see, you have the C-shape curve at the door here. You can open the doors if you want. There's another feature that you can do with this car, which is open its front. Show you, there you go. I'm gonna show you that after this. So yeah, you can kind of see the interior from here. Has a black interior, looks pretty nice. It's not highly detailed, but yeah, it's still something, and it looks pretty great. Moving on to the front, it's just so small that you can open, but still it's a great detail that they've made, and it closes and opens very easily. You have the headlights, which are not actually painted, it's just black, but it's still at least it's still sort of colored or something. You have the horseshoe at the front. It says number 16 Bugatti. You have the front grille right there. Doors can open and close easily. For the front, for the roof, yeah, you can see from the front to the back, you have the big black stripe right there. And then you have the one line as the rear lights, Bugatti logo, and you have that big Bugatti on the spoiler. And like I said just now, it represents an X-Wing, so it has this sort of like X shape right here. It's pretty great. You have the exhaust pipes at the back, some diffusers. Overall, looks pretty great. Made in Thailand. Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport. What scale is this? 165. So it's slightly, I'd say slightly smaller. Is it? How would you say this is 165? So if it was 164, it's still fine. I mean, like 165, maybe there's a bit of difference. I don't know actually. But yeah, black base right there. I don't know why. I just really wanted this casting when it first when they first showed the pictures, Majorette official, in early 2022, and it actually launched and arrived in Malaysia in 2022, well, nearly the end of 2022, which I don't know why it is like that. So I actually found this in stores, and there was actually one of this particular color, which is maroon. The other color was in blue, in that light blue. They had a few of those, but not that much, because this is quite a rare casting that people these days are finding, just because it's a Bugatti, and you know, it's quite popular actually, especially when it's opening parts. Well, you couldn't go wrong with that. I mean, it's so good. Let me open the opening parts again just to show you. I actually also have the Lamborghini Cyan to show you. Cyan or Cyan. That will be in another video, but yeah, this is the Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport. Overall, such a nice car. I love the looks. I like the color. I'm glad I took this color over the blue. This one only had one at the at ToysReview, whereas the blue one had like around 3 or 4. Yeah, there were quite a few. Overall, I'm satisfied with the color and the overall casting design. I mean, like, the scale is fine. It's not as big as the Siku cars, or like, I mean, like, it's average, I guess. It's not bigger than Mini GT. I mean, like, it's just okay, but maybe a bit bigger than Tomica, I'm not sure. But yeah, that is my review of the Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport. Let me know what you think it down in the comments. Maybe you could have maybe you could find it in stores, who knows. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.